Dr. Searcy with your video summary for August 26th. Our chief quotation today, the one that you were quizzed on, said, "The world of Old English poetry is often elegiac." And the key term in that sentence is elegiac. What does it mean? Well, I explicated it this way. An elegiac poem is a melancholy, so essentially sad, meditation that's inspired by three things. One, the transience of earthly life, which is to say, everything is short-lived. Our bodies, this table, this camera will all pass away. Number two, the passage of time. I gave the example in class of thinking as classes started last week, wow, where did the time go with summer? There were all these things I wanted to do and I wasn't able to do them. And then three, the pain that comes from being exiled from both your loved ones and your community. We talked about, in the historical part of our lesson, how during the first 1,000 years after Christ was born, the island of England was conquered by the Romans, Germanic invaders, Danish Vikings, and then finally the French. It was a land where civilization was constantly being overturned. And as a result, the poetry that came out of that period was deeply meditative. It was essentially melancholy. They could see around them the signs of past civilizations, that the things that we think and take for granted are solid and stable would eventually pass away. And this is the reason why the poetry they decided to write recorded that. On Monday, we'll be talking about Beowulf. Have a great weekend. I'll talk with you then.